Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me share with you the best way to prevent Cash App account takeovers. Alright, now the best way to get this done is to combine strong authentication with cautious behavior and regular monitoring. Use a unique complex PIN and also enable biometric logins if available. Activate notifications for all transactions so that you can immediately be notified of any unauthorized activities. You also want to avoid clicking links or downloading attachments from messages that are claiming to be from Cash App support. Never share your PIN, sign-in code, or personal information with anyone. Regularly review your linked accounts and cards and remove any that are unused. If you notice unusual activities, be sure to lock your Cash App card and contact support immediately. Consistently practicing these measures is going to create multiple layers of protection, making it extremely difficult for hackers to gain control of your account. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.